Welcome to Bench Time Builds. I'm Walt. We're going to forego thumbnails, intros, and just get into today's topic, which is bench talk. Bench talk will be a new ongoing video series that hopefully it comes out every Thursday or every other Thursday or on a Thursday. Bench talk will be similar to What Did You Buy Wednesdays in one sense. It'll be specifically items, one part of it, that are purchased at a reasonable price for the bench. Also, I have notes because today's post is a little bit important because there's an announcement. And I made some notes because I want to try to stay on topic. So, on Bench Talk, there will be updates, group builds that I'm involved with or I want to bring awareness to, shout outs, and sharing of shop cards. And as I said earlier, anything that's found that is beneficial to the bench at a reasonable price for a new scale model builder or an experienced scale model builder. That is what bench talk will be about. There's not going to be any cuts here, so if I stutter or I mispronounce, you're going to get it. This channel, it started. I would encourage you to go watch my second video where I showcase the stake body I built for my dad. And in that video, I clearly state I'm not good enough to be a YouTube guy. The channel has grown. I'm slowly becoming a YouTube guy. But that's all due to you. Subscribers, viewers is awesome. The most important part about this whole experience is the friendships that I've made. When I first started off this channel, there was no aspiration for monetization, sponsorships. It was not in my mind, or will it ever be in my mind, to make money as a financial benefit to me from this community or YouTube. Have I opened an Amazon affiliate account? Yes. It's a way for me to share a link, and if there's a small amount of revenue brought back into it, it goes directly into this channel for items that may be needed for the channel in regards to audio equipment, stands, lighting, things of that nature. If I'm able to, in a year, maybe buy one kit, from what I'm understanding, that's the possibility, fine. But it's someplace where I can say, okay, go here. This is where I found it. You ask about something on my bench, because the majority of the items I buy them from Amazon. I can direct you there, okay? There's no real money's going into Walter's pocket from YouTube. Everything in this hobby room has been purchased over time as my skills have grown, but everything came out of my own pocket. All these paints that were accumulated, every airbrush that was accumulated from Gaahleri, from Kaleido paints to the airbrush, it all came out of my pocket. I'm not boastful. I don't need to make money off of YouTube. I'm not looking for that. I never sought it out. As I said, I don't see myself as that YouTube guy, and I will never put myself in a position where I'm making money off of this from you. Speaking to you watching right now, I'm not looking to make money off you. So as the channel grows, as doors open, that's not my mindset. In the process of purchasing these paints, just in my not paying attention, I purchased one set that already had the Kaleido flat colors in there. Well, I did not know. I didn't read the fine print. I was like, okay, this is what I need. And I purchased also the flat color set. I purchased that also. Matte, excuse me, the 12 primary matte color set. I purchased that. So the channel's growing, and my plan is to do a giveaway. I will work the details out. I will make a specific announcement about that, but I will be giving away this set. Again, this is the primary color matte set. Brand new, sealed in the box, bought and paid for by me out of my own pocket. Nothing was given. Again, it needs to be reiterated. I did not receive it. Was it given to me? No. I took my time over 2 years watching reviews, watching other people paint with the colors, and I collected the money. I saved, and then I made this purchase. So I'll work all that out in regards to the giveaway, and that will eventually also come out. Bench time tips, that will become a staple at some point. It's already growing to where I share my DIY ideas. It may be in a short, it may be in a full video, it may be in a short video, but it will be titled Bench Time Tip, and it will start a playlist of that. That will also be happening. So, this channel is growing, from what I'm hearing, at a decently rapid rate. For the period of time, the 2 months that the channel's been up, and the amount of exposure, subs, and all this interaction, it's doing better than average, I understand, from what I'm getting. That is all due to you. So I thank my new friends. I thank the subscribers, new or old, the viewers, the guy that just pops in and pops out, the core viewer that watches from start to finish, the casual viewer that just looks at it, watches it, enjoys it, and moves on to the next one. God bless you all, and thank you. I mean that from my heart. This channel, with all I just said, my benefit is acceptance into the community, and these people that I'm blessed to call friends now. That's what is my benefit. There's no desire to grow in any other way than that. For me, to learn how to build better, to make more friends, to inspire a new builder, or maybe bring to light something that an experienced builder may have not seen, that's what is beneficial to me. So now, I've never sought out sponsorship, affiliations, other than the Amazon thing. I never thought I was that good. Again, if you watch the video about the steak body, I clearly state I'm not that good. I've seen hundreds of videos and I see that there's sponsorship from 3D resin parts, manufacturers, designers, spray gunner, Gaahleri, everyone that is pretty much a peon builder that have awesome channels are affiliated with that company. And that's like, wow, okay, wow. It's something that's great. Could I get that? No. My understanding is you have to reach out to them. Hey, got this channel and is wondering if you'd be interested in doing a collaboration. To do something like that, I would feel you have to offer that company something that they see benefit to say, hey, we're going to do this for you. Be it something for a giveaway, be it a discount code, whatever they do, there has to be a benefit from your channel to do that. And I don't see that. I never saw that with this channel, with me being able to offer anyone that would be considered a sponsor. So the channel's growing. I wake up in the morning. I'm a roofer. I wake up at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. I have my coffee and I go through my emails. Since starting the channel, I go to the bench time email because I've made new friends and they correspond there. It's awesome. I wake up and because of you, because of your encouragement, you're exposing this channel and sharing it or making it grow by subscribing and commenting. Gaahleri reached out to me, which I'm understanding is not common, not based on me, not that I did anything. It's all because of you. They reached out to me. Hey, Walt, seen your channel. It's growing. We like your content. We like your presentation. Would you like to do a collaboration? At first, I was like, okay, this is a scam. I can't believe this. Nope, this ain't right. Email came in late at night, talking real late. Like, okay. So I reach out to a couple of my new friends. First friend, reach out to him. Hey, this happened. Explain to me what was in it and this, that, yada, yada, yada. Well, some of it is similar. I'm not sure. Take your time. Don't sign anything. Send a reply email. But talk to our other friend. So I text over the other friend and I'm like, hey, and I say this person emailed me and I say the person's name. I'm not sure if this is a real deal. It came in late at night. And then he's like, no, Walt, it's a real deal. It came in late at night because they're overseas. And that's my rep also. So then I ask questions like, okay, it's real. What is my obligation? Because I think I said it earlier, I'm not sure. I don't want to be in a position where I have to do something that's not from me. I want to review something. I want to do it because this is how I feel. I want to showcase something. I want to show a deal. I do it because I'm inspired to do it, not because I'm forced to do it. No. If they ask you to do a review, if they send you something, you give an honest review. That's fine. But you don't have to do anything specific. They do check out your channel. All right, fine. So I say, okay. I send the email back. So now we are sponsored, affiliated, whichever way you want to describe it, with Gaahleri. will be able to offer a discount code, a link, but that's all because of you. Whatever doors that are open for this channel, it's because of you. I have this word. If I'm sitting at the table and eating, everybody's eating. So whatever door I walk through, I guarantee you, if there's a benefit for this channel, there will be a benefit for the community and you all as well. It's humbling. It's an honor. It's a privilege to have the comments that inspire you from builders that are better than me, to have made friends that are so genuine. I hope he doesn't get mad. John from Built to Scale Modeling. I'll put his name in the description, or I'll put something up over here. That is one of the most realist people I've met on my journey of life. A genuine, good-hearted person. And they're all like that. The AMC guys, all like that. Bill, Loki's models, like that. There's so many others that my brain, I can't remember, and they deserve recognition. It's all thanks to you, the subscribers that have kept me in shock. The things that I'm not that good. I don't think anyone would. And it's because of you that I'm recognized. And there's whatever this channel grows into, it's because of you. And I'm starting to repeat myself and ramble. But at the end of the day, God bless you all. I thank you. I will always be sincere, honest. It's about the community. It's about inspiring a new scale model builder. It's about helping an experienced scale model builder. As I grow, we all grow. By grace I'm given, and by grace I will return it. And I thank you. My videos aren't perfect. I'm trying my best to speak directly to you. I'm taking my eyes off the camera. I feel that I'm stuttering. But I thank you. I know it's a longer video. God bless you all. Keep being who you are in this community. And for you that's new to this hobby, jump in the water and enjoy that bench.
It's time to build. Parts on the table, got a vision to fulfill. Cut it, sand it, drop it low and mean. Chrome and horsepower, build a street machine. Plastic into power, watch it come alive. Big block Chevy with a hot rod drive.